I take the opportunity once again to welcome everybody, and our e-learning program is sponsored by Edify, Christian Schools Owners Association, together with ICT Teachers Association of Uganda. So today is Friday, 17th. The September 2021, we're going to begin with our mentor work. But in today's mentor work, I'm going to be a little bit speedy such that we can get what we want. So let me hope we are ready to start. One, if I have a half, number one, in our mentor work, but okay. So members, let's begin with our number one. Our number one is a half plus a half. What do I get? If I have a half plus a half, what do you get? Number two. Number two. Number two. Number two. Okay. Number two. Number two. Number two. Number two. Number two. Number two. Okay. Write in words. Write in words. 5 out of 6. Write in words. 5 out of 6. We have a 5 on top and a 6 down. It's a fraction. I want it written in words. Okay. Yeah. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3. 2 times 5. Number 3 is 2 times 5. That's number 3. Number 3, it is 2 times 5. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4. Number 4, number 4, number 4. Okay, number 4, it is 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7. That's number 4. 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7. That's our number 4. Then finally, our number 5. It goes. John has 5 oranges. Peter has 10 oranges. How many oranges do they have altogether? Peter has 5 oranges. John has 10. Oh, sorry, it was John has 10 oranges. Peter has 10. One has 5, that's John. Then Peter has 10. How many do they have altogether? So I see very many hands raising up as I give you a chance to finish up. Okay. As I give you a chance to finish up, and I see. Okay. Who is ready and who is not ready? Yes, let's put down our hands so that know that those ones who will be putting up their hands, they want to participate in giving a spelling game. Okay, let's lower our hands Let's lower our hands, all of us, so that I will know that those ones who are putting up their hands, they want to participate. They want to participate in the quiz. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Let's lower our hands, Daisy. Let's lower our hands. Let's lower our hands. Okay. 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 So, yeah. Now, if you want to give us, I'm giving a chance for today. Once you put up the hand, I will know that you want to give, I will give you a chance to give us two answers for number 1 and number 2. Another one for number 3 and number 4. Then we shall end from there. Kyla. Hey, your hand is up, Kyla. Oh, let me give a chance to Mary. Hey, another one is also down. Why your hands going down? Kyla, my friend. Kyla.
Yes, teacher.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay, the answer for number 1.
2/2.
A half plus half is 2/2. What name is given to that 2/2? Kyla.
1.
It's 1. So we call it a half. We say like a half plus a half equals to a whole. We get a whole, isn't it?
Yes.
Okay, that's 1 or 2 out of 2. You are right. It's okay. You got it right. Number 2.
5/6.
Read it in words. How do you write it in words?
5/6.
It is 5/6. Like that?
Yes.
Okay, I give you a chance for number 3 or so before I pick another one.
Yes. 2 times 5.
2 times 5. What's the answer?
10.
10. Good, Kyla. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, let me hear from Achipa. Catherine Mercy. Achipa, unmute yourself. Achipa.
Yes.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay. So can you tell me the answer for number 4 and 5?
2 plus 7.
Yeah, 2 plus 7. Yeah, what's the answer? Catherine.
Greater than 7. 2 plus 7.
What did you put as the answer?
9.
Okay, number
9.
5. Okay, number 5.
I didn't write number 5.
Didn't write number 5. Thank you. Thank you for not writing number 5. Let me give a chance to Kusasila Jocelyn. Kusasila Jocelyn.
Yes, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Are you fine?
Yes.
Answer for number 5. Answer for number 5.
Teacher, the question.
Why are you putting up the hand? See, Kusasila. Your hand is up, even you don't know the question we are dealing with. Sasira. Someone in, I don't know your name, but I request you rename yourself. Someone in Galaxy A12. I cannot say your name because I don't know you. So try to rename yourself. Caleb.
15 oranges. Caleb, speak.
Yes, teacher.
How are you, Caleb?
I'm fine.
So Caleb, can you talk to me and tell me number 5?
John has 5 oranges. Peter
Yeah.
has 10 oranges. How
Yeah.
many oranges do they have altogether?
What's the answer? Peter has 5 oranges. And John has 10. So how many do they have altogether?
15 oranges.
All of them have 15 oranges. Thank you very much, Caleb, for your answer here. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much, Caleb. So last time when I was here, we are looking at fractions. And even today, we are still looking at what? Fractions altogether. So I cannot fail to tell you that when someone asks you that we studied about fractions, but what is a fraction? You can easily tell that a fraction is a part of a whole. Suppose we have a whole, one thing whole, then you cut it in 2 different parts. What you get is what we call what? A fraction. What you get is what we call what? A fraction. All together. So that's what it means. That is what it means. So when you get a whole plus a whole, what you get is, when you get a half plus a half, what you get is called a whole. What you get is called a whole. Altogether. So for that case, therefore, it is simple to say that a half plus a half equals to a whole. Altogether. So for that case, therefore, I would like to tell you that even up to now, we are still looking at fractions. So a fraction is a part of a whole, and 2 halves make a whole. That's the first question I gave you, that a half plus a half equals, you have to say a whole. Okay, so for today, we are going to identifying the fraction of the shaded part and unshaded part. In such an example, like the one which is there, you are supposed to identify which fraction has been shaded and which fraction has not been shaded. Okay, but when we are identifying this, we have to make sure when we are identifying this, we have to make sure that one, we first count the total number. The total number. How many are they in total? You first count the total parts. You first count the total parts. Like we are here. You first count all of them. How many are they? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So for this case, I have 9 parts. That's the total. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remember, when we are dealing with fractions, we are dealing with numbers. We are dealing with numbers which have a numerator and also it has a denominator. Altogether, we are dealing with a number which has a numerator and at the same time it is having a denominator. Okay, so what we do is simple. After counting the whole parts, that whole part, it is the part of the fraction we shall put down, and it is called a denominator. So the denominator represents the total parts of the fraction, and the numerator represents the upper part of the fraction, and either it can be shaded or unshaded. Okay, now to give an example here, to give an example here, okay, I have this. I'm supposed to first count this part. Okay, I know that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So therefore, the total parts here, they are 9. So after becoming 9, what are we going to do? We are going to come here. And we'll insert our equation for our fraction. We have said that the part of the fraction that is down is 9. Altogether, so sometimes what is next is either counting. What do we put up? Here up, we shall put the number of the fraction that is either that has been shaded or the one which has not been shaded. Altogether, so that's what we are going to put up there. So we can therefore say that the fraction which is down, or the total parts are 9. Then how about the ones? So we are going to count the shaded part and we put it up here. The shaded part is 1, 2, and 3. So therefore here on my fraction, I'm going to write 3. So meaning that the shaded fraction is 3 out of 9, or what we can read as 3/9, as we agreed when we are reading this word, when we are writing and reading the word, when we are writing and reading the fractions. Okay, let's go to the next part. The next part is here. In the next part also, we have something here. Okay, in the next part also, we need to first know. We have to be very quite sure of what we are going to do. In which way? Let me give an example here. When we are also counting for the unshaded part, we first count how many are there. Total parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we shall make that one as our denominator. the fraction which is down and put there 9. What do we put up? We shall count the unshaded parts. They will act as our numerator here. So let's count the unshaded parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the unshaded part, there are 6, and we shall put it here up, and it will work as our numerator. So that's how it moves. When we are dealing with fraction, we have to know that a fraction has got 2 parts. One is a numerator and another one is a denominator. One is a numerator another one is a denominator. A numerator is the one which is up, then the denominator is the one which is down. Altogether, that's how simple it is. So let me go to question number 2, and on question or example number 2, I'm going to ask someone here who will automatically take us through. That's question number 2. And let me give a chance to Juliet. Juliet Kutia. How are you, Juliet?
Yes.
Juliet, how are you? Juliet, how are you? Hello. Hello, Juliet. It seems, Juliet, the network is not right. Let me pick JR, Junior. Junior, are you on? How are you, Junior? Okay, so are you giving me the answers here? JR.
Yes, teacher.
Yeah, can you give me the answer I want? Yes, JR.
Yes, teacher.
How are you? Seems JR is not ready. Yet there are very many who are ready to give the answer. So it's better I give the answer to another one. Dennis Chizito. Chizito Dennis. Hello, Kizito Dennis. Can you unmute yourself? Yes, Kizito. Hello. Chizito, are you on? Oh, it seems Kizito, the network is not right. Let me hear from Vian. 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 Oh, there be problem somewhere. Okay, let me hear from Kimberly. Kimberly, are you on? Kimberly? Hello, Kimberly? Oh. What could be the problem here?
Teacher Didas,
Yes, please.
you seem to be alone in the class. Your admin is not around, so I think you have to do all the work because I can see you are the host and I'm trying to search for his name and I'm
Yeah,
not seeing him. So you have to ask the learners to unmute themselves, or you click on their names and you ask them to unmute.
Okay, let me do it. It seems maybe it was
You
a
are now
network.
you are supposed to do everything for yourself.
Yeah, let me do it. Oh, okay. Let me hear from William. William, are you on?
Yes,
William, how are you?
fine.
So, William,
Yes,
William, can you tell me, can you go on and you tell me the shaded fraction and how do we get it as I've explained earlier?
you first count the shaded fraction, then you write the shaded ones on the shaded fraction.
Oh, I first count the shaded ones.
Yes,
Okay, but I said first we first count what? We first count the all parts. All together?
okay.
Let's first count the whole parts together, huh?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, so we first count all the parts all together. And we make that 6 to be our denominator. We shall put it down all together.
Yeah.
Then we shall go on and count the shaded fraction all together.
Yes.
Can we count it?
1, 2.
So the shaded fraction is going to become the numerator like this. All together?
Okay.
Okay, now can you tell me what is the answer for the unshaded one? What do we do first?
We first count all of it. Then
Okay,
write
count for
it
me and
down.
tell me. Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Where do I put it? Up, down?
Down.
Down. Good. So what do I put up on the numerator?
1, 2.
Yes. Only 2.
Yes.
But I think we are counting the unshaded one.
1,
Yes.
4.
Let's count
4.
together, Let's count
1,
together. Let's count together. Let's count together,
1,
Let's count together,
1,
Yes.
2,
Yes.
3,
Yes.
4.
And 4. Okay. Thank you very much. So where do I put the 4?
On top.
Okay. Thank you very much, William. Okay. Thank you very much, William. I think I have to mute you here. Okay. Okay, let's go on. That was William. That was William. Let me hear from Nathaniel. Nathaniel,
Yes,
how are you?
fine.
Okay, Nathaniel, can you tell me what is
Yes.
here? I have my another fraction. Are you seeing it?
Yes,
Okay, so tell me, what do I do?
the ones which are shaded.
Which is shaded?
Oh,
Yes.
1,
What do we
2.
do? What do we do? How do we write it?
We first count and answer the question.
We first count and answer the question, isn't it?
Yes,
What do we begin counting?
the shaded ones.
No, we first counting all the parts. All together?
Yes,
Okay, can we count all the parts together?
yes.
Okay,
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, so all the parts, we begin by counting all the parts. So all the parts are what? They are 4 altogether,
Yes,
and we shall put it down as our denominator altogether.
yes,
Then next we are counting the shaded ones,
yes,
the ones which are shaded, and we shall put the answer up as our numerator altogether.
yes.
Okay, so let's go. Let's count together again. How many are shaded?
1, 2, 3.
So the answer is
3.
good. So now tell me what do I put here? What do I do? Like the way we did it together. That's what I want you to do. What do we do first?
Put the M in the eater.
Oh, mommy, let's count together, me and my boy. Okay, are you okay?
Yes,
We have said we first count all the parts. All together?
yes, yes.
Let's count them.
1, 2, 3, 4.
That the numbers we have counted, we put them down because they are called denominator. They are called what?
Denominator.
We put it where?
Down.
After we count the unshaded, the part which is not shaded. All together?
Yes.
Okay, can we count together?
1.
Is it 1 only?
Yes.
Okay, so the answer here is
1.
okay. Are we together, my friend?
Yes.
Okay, don't go away. I'm going to give you another question. Are you still on?
Yes.
Okay, I want you to remain here so that I can give you another question here so that I'm sure that you have got it.
Yes.
Okay, let me change the diagram here, and I will ask you, let me see if I have a ready diagram with me. What's your name? You are Nathaniel.
Yes.
How old are you?
8.
You're 8. Okay,
My.
that's not bad. Okay, another diagram has come. Are you seeing it?
Yes.
Okay, I need us, we count it together and you tell me which part is shaded and which one is not shaded. Are we together, my
Yes.
boy?
Yes.
Okay. So what do we do first?
We count all the parts.
We first by counting all the parts. I've liked you, a good boy. We first by counting all the parts. So can we count all the parts together?
Yes.
Okay, let's go. We begin from here.
Yes.
Let me make it a little bit big. Let's count together.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So all the parts are what?
8.
8. Where do I put it? Up, down?
Down.
Down, because it is a denominator. It is a what?
A denominator.
I want you to say that word. It's a denominator. It is called what?
A denominator.
Good. Now, can we count the shaded ones? Which one are shaded?
1,
Uh-huh.
2, 3.
3. So the answer is
3.
all together.
Yes.
Okay, let's count the unshaded ones. What do we do first?
We count the unshaded ones.
What do we do?
We count and answer.
What do we first count?
We count all the
parts.
Yes, the parts.
Okay, let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8.
8. Where do I put it? Up, down?
Down.
Okay. Which part is unshaded? Can we count?
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So the answer is
5.
good. Now, have you got to them?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. You are a good boy. You're what?
A good boy.
A good boy. Bye.
Bye.
Okay, let me have another one here, whom we shall have. There's someone I want to pick here, but has failed to name her name. Let me pick Emily. Emily Angel.
Yes,
Emily
teacher.
Angel, how are you?
I'm fine.
Are you seeing my fraction, my diagram? Are you seeing it?
Yes.
Okay, what do we do? I need the shaded and the unshaded ones. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, tell me. What do I do?
You?
You?
The shaded one?
We first count all the parts, isn't it?
Yes.
How many parts does it have?
1, 2.
And, okay, so I put it here down. All together?
Yes.
Can I count the shaded parts? How many are shaded?
1.
So I put 1 here. All together?
Yes.
How many parts? Now we're on the second one, the shaded and unshaded, the unshaded ones. What do I do?
You have 2.
What do I do? I first count all the parts. What do I do?
You put here number 1.
Where? Here.
Here. Up.
Up. The numerator is 1. Then down.
You put 2.
2. Good. Good. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay, thank you very much, Emily. Okay, thank you very much, Emily. Okay, thank you very much, Emily, for your answer. Okay, now as we move on, class, someone is asking, teacher, should we write? No, Don't write now. We shall put these notes in our Google Classroom. We shall pick them and write them at our own time. Then you also write the activity that is there. Now, we can also be required to shade. They can give us the fraction, and we are asked to shade that very fraction. So what do we do? What we do is just simple. Also this way, we first count. This number which is down here, 5, is representing all the parts here. You count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and it is the one which is here. Then they want me to shade 3. So I'll come here and count. How many parts I said? I shade 1. When you are shading, I need you to use a ruler. Don't use a free hand to shade. And when you are shading, don't go outside the box. That's the 1. Can even skip here. I shade the second one. All together. Then, okay. Then you shade also this one here. All together, my class. So that's how things do. That's how things go. Okay, so I've shaded the fraction, all of them, they were 5. Then I shaded the one which was on top, which is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, thank you. Let me go to the next one. Here, who can I pick here? Okay, whom can I pick here? 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 Okay, let me see the person to pick. Don't feel annoyed because we are very many, yet I need very few. Let me hear from Mulungi Martha. Mulungi Martha.
Yes, teacher.
How are you, Mulungi Martha?
I'm fine.
Okay, so tell me, what do I do?
You said 1.
I shade 1. So which one should I shade? The one down, the one up?
Down.
Down, okay. Let me shade this one. Oh, I wish I could change the shading. Let me see if I could change the shading. Okay. Okay. Mulungi, are you on?
Yes.
I think I'm done with the shading, isn't it?
Almost.
Almost. Okay. Am I okay now?
Yes.
Okay. Good. So that's how simple our work for today is. We are shading and describing the part that has been shaded. Okay. Mulungi, bye-bye. Let me give a chance to one of us here to okay, let me get one of us here to take me through. Okay. Let me get someone here. I have my diagram, it is there, and I need someone to tell me. Someone is saying, teacher, pick me. Mwesigye Alvin. Alvin, how are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, how many parts am I shading here?
3.
Okay, I begin from where? Up, down, tell me. I begin with this one.
Yes, teacher.
Hello,
Yes.
Alvin.
Yes.
Alvin,
Yes, teacher.
tell me what should I do?
Shed
I
3.
shed 3. So this is 1. I shed this one also.
Yes, teacher.
How many are those ones so far? Alvin,
Yes, teacher.
how many have I shaded it now?
3.
So I end there.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you very much, Alvin. Okay, so that's how we do it, very simple like that. Do I have another one? Yes, as we are towards the end, we have one more. Okay, as we're towards the end, we have one more here. Let me give a chance to one lucky one. Who's that one? Oh, okay. Let me hear from Barirwa Ryan Raphael. Hello,
Yes, teacher.
how are you, Raphael?
I'm fine, teacher.
Okay. So tell me, what do I do?
You shared two parts of the box.
So how many should I shade? I have 1, 2, 3, and 4. Which one should I begin with?
The up one.
Okay. He's telling me, teacher, begin with the up one. So since you are my boss now, I'm beginning with the up one here, and I'm shading it. I've said when you're shading, please use your ruler and do some good work. Do some good work. Like even me, I'm using my ruler, that's why my lines are straight, you see? Okay. Which one other one should I shade now?
The one on the left.
The one on the left. My left is your right.
Yes.
This one?
No.
Or this one?
Yes.
Okay. How should I shade it? Like this?
Yes.
Okay. Here we go. He's saying, teacher, you shade the one on the left. That's where my interest is. Okay. Okay. Is that all, my friend?
Yes.
Okay, thank you, my friend. Okay, so class, we are towards the end of our lesson. I will say thanks for learning with me today. But before I say a bye-bye, I would like to attempt only one question, if it's there, from a parent or from a learner. Then we shall have the closing prayer. So if you want to say something, type in the chat and send me, teacher. Okay. Fidel, I know you are sick, but I hope you'll be fine. I need only one person. If you have something to ask, please type in the chat and send me, teacher. Oh, but I've seen my friend here, Rubega.
Yes, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
I'm fine, teacher.
I'm fine, teacher. Didas.
Today you didn't put up the hand.
Oh yes. I
What
was
happened?
going to. I was going to say
Sorry?
it was our grandmother's place.
Oh, okay. Now you have some. Have you gotten what you wanted to say something?
No,
Lubega,
I just wanted. No,
Lubega,
teacher.
Lubega.
Yes, teacher.
Have
Yes,
you
teacher Didas.
Have you understood what I've taught you?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Do you know how to do the work on Google Classroom?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. So you'll go there and write the work. All together?
Yes, teacher Didas.
Okay. Bye.
Thank you, teacher Didas.
You're welcome. Okay, that's my friend Rubega, but today didn't put up the hand. Hey, Rubega, you are so bad. Okay, next time make sure you put up the hand. My friends are very many, they are there. So I need someone to give us a prayer and we go on. And when I look in the chat, someone is saying, teacher, I want to do what? I want to give a prayer. Okay, that is Jesse Elijah Rubega. So, Jesse, are you on?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, are you praying for us or you want to say something?
I want to pray for us.
Okay, you pray.
Our Father who's in heaven, hallowed be your name. Your kingdom come, your will be done on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day. Bless and forgive us our trespasses as forgive those who trespass against us. Don't lead us into temptation, but deliver us from evil. May the power and the glory forever and ever. Amen.
Amen. Thank you very much, Jesse. So, class, I told you not to write simply because I want to put this work on Google Classroom, so you can open that work and write at your free time when nothing is disturbing you. Even the activity is going to be there, so please take your time. For now, I say bye for now. We shall meet next time. Okay. Akwagara Shalom is saying they has a birthday. Thank you very much. We shall think for a birthday tomorrow. It's for tomorrow. Okay, thank you very much. We end the meeting from here. And I would like to say bye-bye, everybody. Teacher Didas loves you all. Thank you.